Welcome back to 5 Day Crypto, everyone. My name is Chase. Today is January 7th of 2021, and today we're going to give you another update on Chainlink versus US dollar, and also look at Bitcoin and see what's going on there and maybe what's causing our short-term consolidation, let's say drop, consolidation in Chainlink right now. So if we look yesterday and the day before, the past 2 days, we've had a nice move up. Currently we're, just hanging out, chilling out, and that's not a surprise given the fact of what Bitcoin is doing. It's currently at 38,354. It is still making all-time highs. So that is the only reason that Chainlink is, when Bitcoin is showing its power, Chainlink is just standing around waiting. So Bitcoin will have to calm down and have to chill out without dropping. It can't. If it crashes, if Bitcoin crashes, it brings the rest of the market with it. If Bitcoin just takes a breather and stops sprinting around the track, altcoins, that's when they start moving, especially Chainlink. Chainlink has to have its big brother Bitcoin simmer down. Ethereum can get pulled up. You've seen Ethereum start moving even before Chainlink. Chainlink has to know that the coast is clear, and then he usually catches up, and he catches up fast, and he usually leads the market when he wants to. But that is the reason that we're going down right now. Bitcoin has been just on a tear. So if we continue this move down, we would love to hold this Fibonacci 0.23 level. If we can get a bounce off of that, that would be a great sign. So we're going to look on that, keep an eye on that. As I have my video yesterday, you saw our moving averages are getting sorted out. So that's a good sign. We want to keep separating. The bigger separation, the bigger the move. See this? How big that top is, and then we want to hold it. We don't want to come back down and get tangled again. But my opinion, we could be just starting something huge. If you look over at Bitcoin, this is on their hour chart, but if you look at some of these moves, when these lines start getting sorted out, this is when huge moves happen. This could be our move that we're in for Chainlink right now. We could just be starting here. See this? All tangled up, and then it gets sorted out. We don't want to start tangling up. We want to get sorted out and stay sorted out. So that's what to look for in the meantime. Guys, check out Bitcoin on the daily chart with these lines. If Chainlink can get something going like this on the daily chart and really start separating, look at these. This is insane. Look at that. Perfect patterns. You want them all almost equidistant. You see that? How they're all pretty much the same and super spread out. Look at the distance between these. If we start separating and keeping in line like this with Chainlink, we're going to go high quick. Chainlink can move fast as anything. So we'll keep an eye on that. I'm here every day. If you're new to this channel, try to give you 1 or 2 bits of information every day on Chainlink, and then maybe like another coin as well. We're here 5 days a week, 5 Day Crypto. Check us out on Twitter, 5 Day Crypto 1. The link is below. Also, our Fear and Greed Index. Shockingly, we moved down after the moves we've been having. I don't know what's going on, but I'll take it because we want to stay in our 95 to 86 range. If we get outside of that, like I always say, that's our first warning flag. As long as we can stay within the 86 to 95, we are good. You can see our 86 level here is our low for the past month, and our 95 is our high. We've hit both of those levels multiple times. If we stay in that range, still clear sailing. We look at Bitcoin on the RSI, it is cranked out. On the daily, 87 stochastic still has good momentum, even going back up. There's no warning signs yet that Bitcoin's coming down anytime soon. And in fact, it's quite the opposite. It looks like it's going to keep going up. ADX and DI separating again More bulls. Look at the power of the bulls right now. It is huge. If you're above 25 level on the daily, you're a very strong move. Look at where it's at. This is it's going to be one for the record books. We're going to remember this in a few years. That this is the start. This is the start of the bull run. I think March was the final capitulation, and this is it, boys. If Bitcoin starts dropping and dropping in a hurry, whenever that time comes, it's coming. Could be next week, could be next month, could be 2 months. Who knows when it's coming? Nobody knows when it's coming. But when it does, and it starts making catastrophic candles, like worse than this, it's going to fall directly to our 21-week EMA. Look at that. It is 100%. Let's look at this smooth. I think it is 100%. 90, let's see where we're at. 90, like 98% over above our 21-week EMA line. Anytime it's ever done that in history, it hasn't lasted more than a few weeks, generally. So just keep your warnings out. But we also haven't had this much media attention, investors, we have more money than ever. So the more money that goes into a coin, the market cap, the higher the market cap, the harder it is to move. So a drop will come at some point. We hope. The best news that we can hope for, if our 20-week moving average gets above 20,000, because that's our prior local high, right? All-time high was 20,000. If we can somehow get this line, keep going a little bit, and it holds and it bounces off of that line above our previous all-time high, we're going to see another move. We'll see another power move from Bitcoin like this. Whenever that time comes, this year sometime, I would imagine, for sure. Summertime, maybe. Couple months, keep going up. Bitcoin can keep going up. With all this money and attention, who knows? We'll be here every step of the way. With that being said, let's do our car of the day. The highly sought after Ferrari F50 from the 90s still looks amazing. If you're lucky to find one of these now, it's going to set you back millions. I've seen these go for 5, 10 million, depending on the mileage, condition. These are insane. Some real pictures right here. And after that, we have our quote of the day. If you have any questions, I'm here. If you want to request any altcoins for me to analyze, go over, I'd be happy to do it. Just let me know. I'm here for you. Thanks, guys. 49 gold stars today. New haircut. What do you think? Slicking it back? I don't know. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.